Okay, I have loosened the spring that holds the cover. The spring here that holds the cover on top of the relay switch and overload protection. Hard to get your hands in there. But the relay and overload are in there. To take the relay out, after you make sure you've got the unit unplugged, you stick a flathead screwdriver in and gently pry the relay switch out, like that. So this is the relay switch. It's got two little prongs. This is actually my replacement. The one that was in there had three posts to mount to. I bought this replacement one because there was only one wire attached to it. It has only one, and it was actually $4 cheaper. The toughest thing so far is just putting it back in with the spring. This is the new relay, one wire going to it. This wire hooks onto the top prong on the compressor, and then this hooks onto the two lower prongs on the compressor, and then this just plugs onto I think this is the thermal overload. So the red wire hooks on there. Okay, so this is with everything back in place, and the spring, my spring, is a little different on that thermal protector. It actually mounts on the frame. This is the top. It's just kind of a piece of bent metal that pushes it up against the compressor. Now I'll put the cover back on and the spring and everything. I let it run overnight with the new relay, and that worked. And there it is with the plastic housing and the spring back in place.